Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Vedansh and I welcome back to all of you in my educational YouTube channel Vedansh English Academy. So guys, as you all know that today is 5 September and today's day play a very important role in every Indian's life because we all celebrating this day as a Teacher's Day. So first of all, I want to say a very happy Teacher's Day to all of my friends and especially all the teachers. In the whole India, we celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. On this day, all the students give their teachers beautiful gifts and good blessings because teachers play a very important role in our life. On this day, there are so many cultural programs are held by the students of the school. They show their respect by the programs, by giving a speech, each extra towards the teacher. Many students give party to his class teacher or his other teachers. So let's know about why we celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. What incident was happened in the past? Actually, today is the birth anniversary of a greater teacher, which is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India and also the first vice president of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the greatest teacher at his time. So every student loved him and called them as their ideal. Because Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888. So he called that in future his birthday will be celebrating as a Teacher's Day. So that's why we celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. Let's talk about the importance of a teacher. Actually, teacher is like a road by which we all go and achieved our goal in the life. Teachers are stayed in one place and give me opportunity that we will go for in our life and become a successful man. Teachers play a very important role in our life. Someone said that lines that good education can change anyone and a good teacher can change anything. There is a very beautiful shloka in the Sanskrit which tell us the importance of a teacher, and this shloka say Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasme Shri Guruve Namaha. This shloka say that if we want to compare between God and teacher, so actually the teacher is bigger than God because a God is a God of blessing but a teacher is a God of knowledge. There is another pad of Kabir Das. In this pad Kabir Das say Guru Govind do khade kaake lago paए balihari Guru apne Govind diyo bataye. Here you can also see the importance of a God, that if the God and the teacher both are standing in front of me, so first of all whom we wish. So here God say to us that first of all wish to your teacher then me. So that's why we call that a teacher play a very important role in our life, and our first teacher is our parents, because when we born like a child, so we don't know anything. Our parents is our first teacher because they teach us the basic lessons of life. As we grow, then we need a perfect teacher. According to me, I think that the second highest position in the world is of the teacher, because teacher is very important for all of us. They teach us so lot. You know, the prime minister, the president, all needs teachers because the teacher teach them, and then they will be prime minister, they will be president, they will be IAS, they will be doctor, each extra. The first position is of our parents and the second position is of our teachers. So I want to say to all of my friends and all of the students that please respect your teachers, because your teachers do hard work to improve your knowledge. They teach us so much. You can learn from your teachers as much as you can learn. And as you know that today is a Teacher's Day, so please you all wish your teachers a very happy Teacher's Day. If you have no money or if you don't want to give any gift to your teacher, so don't worry, just wish them because they want your blessings, they want your wishes. When you say these words only, happy Teacher's Day sir or happy Teacher's Day ma'am, there will be a real happiness in our teacher's face which you can see. So please wish your teacher a happy Teacher's Day on this day, because this day the teachers play a very important role in the field of education. Purpose of making this video, because I want to suggest you the importance of a teacher. I again say that teacher is very important and they play a very important role in everyone's life. So I hope this video is something important for you. Just subscribe me if you're not subscribed my channel by press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification if you want to receive my every video notification. Please like this video and share this video with your teachers, with your friends, with your family members, etc. Also write in the comment section Happy Teachers Day, because I am also your teacher, your friend, etc. whatever you understand. Okay, so I again meet you with a next interesting topic. Basically this is my English speaking videos, but I put some extra knowledge videos because I like this. Thanks, bye bye, and at last, Hare Krishna.